Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha and I vlog here on Dumbbells and Delights. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be talking about my skincare routine. I've had lots of people ask me how do you take care of your skin, and I thought let me just show you the routine. Please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it so that I keep producing more content. So let's get right to it. As you can see, I'm in my bathroom, so excuse the sound is going to be a bit hollow. The first thing I do is I wash my hands. I want to make sure my hands are clean before I touch my face. You know, the face is very delicate, so I wash my hands. I'm sitting down, so I'm going to be looking awkward. Wash my hands, make sure they're clean. And when they're nice and clean, dry them up. So the first thing I do, like step one after washing my hands, is remove any makeup that I have. If I don't have makeup, then that first step is not necessary. So what I do is I get some wipes, wet wipes, and I also slather some coconut oil on my face. So I just put some coconut oil there. This is just to retain moisture and make it easy for the makeup to come off. Because also I've had it on my face a while. There's also sweat and dirt and all that stuff. So just to make it easy to lift off. Then I use the wipe. Just so I really take it off. I work on the lipstick last, work on my neck. Normally I won't be wearing something like this. I'll be wearing my nightie. So there you are. You can see just how much makeup is on my face. Then I give it a nice swirl on the eyes to make sure it's all gone. But you see, it's not completely gone. So the next step is I take a cotton bud. I'm currently using these ones from Dove. And then I put some coconut oil. This in the coconut oil. I've got a separate jar for coconut oil that I use, and then I do that under the eyes. This is to make sure it comes off easy and I'm not scrubbing my eyes, you know. So you see, I did some cleaning, but just look at how much is still on there. I use one Q-tip cotton bud on one eye, so top and bottom. Make sure that's all clean. Wow, that is a lot. Then the next eye, my right eye, I do the same. Yeah. So just to make sure my eye is clean. See again just how much is on there. Oops, I had quite a lot of coconut oil on that one there. But yeah. Put that on my lips. They're already starting to dry out. I don't know why they do that. So yeah, my eyelashes are clean now. Then the next step is I wash off the coconut oil with the cleanser now. I'm currently using this one from Discam for sensitive skin. So I just put on my cotton thing. And I use these. These I got them from Clicks. I like the edge that they have. And they feel nice on my face, but you can get whatever you need. And I put a little bit of water just to make things move along nicely. Lips, that lipstick, gotta get it off. I do close my eyes. And neckline, because when I put on makeup, I put makeup on my neckline so it doesn't look weird. And you can see there's still quite a lot of makeup on there. Okay, excuse me, I'm trying not to get soap in my eye. Then I rinse. As you can see, there's still quite a lot of makeup, so imagine if I had just done this only. Then I rinse. This is so hard, I'm sitting. But that's for the camera angle. Rinse my face. And I use face cloth. Yes, I love pink. So I just pat dry. Under the eyes. Neck. I don't really get the back though, but yeah. Yo, this eyeliner does not come off quite easy. I'm gonna have to do this just a bit more. But yeah, you see it doesn't come. Can you see that though? Yeah. Okay. Then pat dry. Then the next thing I use is toner. Rose water from Nature's Nourishment. I use it as a toner. Keeping it simple and clean. Dab, dab, just a bit. And I sprinkle also a little bit of water because it's got this stinging sensation that I don't like. But it's really been helping with uneven skin tone. So I've been using this for about a month and I can see the difference with my skin tone, but it'll never be quite right, you know, because look, this is my hands, look how dark my face is. So you can see this uneven skin tone. My neckline, my arms are quite dark, but for me that's not a concern. Uneven skin tone. I live in Africa, the sun will burn me, whatever, I'm not bothered by an even skin tone. Look, my lips are darker than the rest of my face, and no, I do not smoke. And do some more cleaning. I really don't know what toner is for, but I'm liking what it's doing. But yeah, this really worked that neckline and under the eyes again, just to make sure it's all gone. Do check out my video on 7 simple hacks to drinking water. I do a short explanation on why my skin looks so good, and I highly recommend that you drink water. I mean, that's just an extra benefit for good skin. The other thing I recommend is not putting a lot of makeup. If you saw at the beginning of the video, I did have makeup on, but that was one layer of foundation, lipstick, a little bit of eyeshadow and eyeliner. I did not have powder, concealer, or all those other things, just to let my skin breathe. But that's just me. There's days when I put on 20 products on my face. So I'm just saying don't do that a lot. And then I rinse again. That's the next step. After toner, I rinse. And I pat dry again. Then if it's daytime, I use day cream. Can you see that? Yeah, I use day cream. And then if it's nighttime, I'll use the night cream. And I also use, I'm looking for it, I also use the revitalizing eye cream. But before I moisturize, I go back again, coconut oil. So it's good as a makeup remover and a moisturizer. I also put it in my hair, and this lasts me about a year. This 400ml bottle lasts me about a year. So back to coconut oil first as a moisturizer. Then I moisturize my face. I'm a little bit fluey, so excuse if I look a bit salty. Then I moisturize the face. Then I work on the lips. I love my Letty Balm. It's great for nose and lip repair. Deals with cracked lips, but I like it very much. It does the job. Then now I moisturize my face. Normally when I'm getting ready, I'll finish the other things I'm doing before I moisturize my face with the day cream so that the coconut oil can release it. But because of the video, we don't have that time. We will just do this nicely, easy, and pretty much I'm done. On the weekend, I do a face mask and I use this. Also, from all these products are available at Discount. So let me know what you think. What products do you use in your skincare routine? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one.